Okay, so I'm going to continue right where I left off for Module 4, Lesson 21. Now we're going to start comparing two pizza companies. So this first pizza company is Pete's Pizza. So let's think about Pete's Pizza here. It says a new pizza company is trying to compete with Little Caesars by providing, not by provided, by providing a cheaper pizza, but by also offering a delivery service. So if you think about it, Little Caesars is great. They've got the hot and ready pizza. It's cheap, it's fast, but there's no delivery. So we'll see if Pete's can compete with them. The price of each pizza is going to be about $4, but then there's going to be a $2 delivery charge on each order. So that means if I order like 3 pizzas, right, that's going to be $12. But then I have to pay 2 more for my delivery charge. That's $14. So let's see if we can actually start filling out this table. So it looks like this what might I label this column? You can pause as many times as you want, or think to yourself while you're going to order it. Maybe that'll help you do less pausing. This is my number of pizzas, and this is the total cost if I'm getting delivery. So let's think about one pizza. I'm going to take 1 times how much is each pizza? Each pizza is $4, but then I need to add on a $2 service or delivery charge. So obviously one pizza is going to cost you 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6 is your total cost. What about 2 pizzas? Well, 2 pizzas is going to cost you $4, but again, you have to pay this delivery fee of $2. So 2 times 4 is 8. Add 2, $10. All right, so I would encourage you to pause here and try to go down and fill in these other values. And at the end, I want you to try, what would this look like for P, number of pizzas? So go ahead and try to fill in the rest of that table on your own. All right, so when I look through this, I'm doing 3 times 4. It's $4 for each of the 3 pizzas. Add on 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Add 2 is $14 for the total cost. This one I've got $4 for 4 pizzas. Add on my $2 delivery charge. 4 times 4 is 16. Add 2 is $18. I'm still continuing on. Be careful. I'm skipping up here. Now I'm doing 10 pizzas for $4. So it's going to be $40 right there, but it's still just a $2 delivery charge, just a one-time thing. Doesn't get charged for each pizza. So I need to think 10 times 4 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Finally, you're having a huge get-together. Maybe you're buying pizza for, I don't know, the whole school or something. So you buy 50 pizzas, $4 each. So I take 50 times 4. That's how much each pizza is. But I got to add my $2 delivery charge. How nice of them. They're going to deliver 50 pizzas for $2. That's pretty nice. 50 times 4, that's going to be about, well, 50 times 2 is 100. 50 times 4 is going to be $200. Add 2. It's an expensive amount of pizza. It's $202 worth of pizza. So let's look at what happens. Let's say I have P number of pizzas. Well, I know it's going to get multiplied by 4, right? It's $4 per pizza. Got to add on my $2 delivery charge. So how am I going to write this? Remember, I can write this a little easier, right? 4 times P like this. 4P plus 2. So there's my expression I can write from this example. So what mathematical operations did you need to find the total costs? We used, well, look back at your table, we used addition and multiplication. So write an expression to describe the cost of having P number of pizzas delivered. Well, we've already done that because we worked through our table like champions. We know we have 4 times P. That's $4 per pizza. But we have to add on this $2 delivery fee. So how much would it cost our entire class to order one entire pizza for each student? So let's say our class, this isn't every travel group, but let's say our travel group is 25 students. 25 students. Use our expression to figure out how much it would cost for our whole class to have that much. How much would it cost our whole class to have that much? Try and figure that out. Pause, come back and see what you got. So let's think about this. Here I am, 4P plus 2, but now it's going to be guaranteed 25 pizzas. 25 pizzas for 25 students. So 4 times 25, if you think about quarters, you can do that in your head. And so, of course, this is going to cost $102. So it would cost our class, it would cost $102. Well, let's change this up. What's the most number of pizzas we could order for $280? So now I give you $280. How many pizzas are you going to be able to order? Well, we got to think here. We know we have a $2 service or $2 delivery charge. $2 delivery charge. Then we know it's $4 per pizza. But we're kind of going backwards here now. So I've got to take my $280, but I don't have exactly $280. I've got to remove $2 for my delivery charge. So it's actually going to be $278 I have to work with. So if I take that now, I'm going to take $278. It's going to get divided by $4 per pizza, right? Let's see how many pizzas we can get for $278. So 4 into 27, well, 4 times 8 is 32. That's too much. 4 times 7 is 28. That's still too much. How about 4 times 6? That's going to be 24. And as I subtract, I end up with 3 left over. And then I have 38. Well, 4 into 38, well, 4 times 10 is 40. So that's too much. So I must do 4 times 9 to get 36. And I've got 2 left. But if I've got 2 left out of 4, I can still keep going. It's money. We can split money up. Let's try 4 into 20. That's 5 times. Great. Fits evenly. I've run out of room, and luckily, because I'm done. So how many pizzas could we order for $280? Well, we could order... Well, you can't really order a half a pizza. So we can't order 70, though, because we don't have enough money. So we could order 69 pizzas with some money left. Okay, so now let's think about Bonsai Pizza Company. Bonsai is going to be different. Bonsai is different. They're trying to compete with Little Caesars, and they're trying to compete with pizzas. Their pizza is going to be $3 for each pizza, but they have a $4 delivery charge. So I'm just going to help you get started just with this start. So here, let's talk about our number of pizzas. Let's talk about the total cost. All right? Let's think. One pizza. For one pizza, I'm going to do 1 times, it's $3 for each pizza this time, but now I'm getting charged $4 for the delivery. So that's going to be $7 here. 2 of them is going to be 2 times 3, because it's $3 for each one. Add on 4 for my delivery fee. 2 times 3 is 6. Add 4 is $10. This is where I want you to stop. I want you to see what you can do here. Fill out the rest of the table, and that's going to help you answer this final question of when we know n. Well, let's switch it. Let's use the same variable, right? Let's go with p number of pizzas, okay? Having p number of pizzas. Let's see if you can write your expression for this pizza company. Pause, come back in about 2.5, 3 minutes, and see how you did. All right, so here we go. So I know I've got 3 times 3 plus 4. 3 times, 4. 4 times 3 plus 4. Again, that's a 4. That's a 4. Then I'm doing 10 times 3 plus 4. Then I'm doing 50 times 3 plus 4. How did I know all this? Because it's $3 per pizza. That tells me to multiply. Add my $4 delivery charge on. So let's calculate each one. 3 times 3, or evaluate, I guess would be a better word. 3 times 3 is 9. Add 4 to 9. I get $13. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 would be $16. Skip up a big bunch, right? 10 times 3 is 30. Add 4 is $34. And finally, 50 times 3 is 150. Add 4 is $154. So, if I have p number of pizzas, that means I'm taking p times 3, right? $3 per pizza. Add 4. But hopefully down here, you wrote that as a little bit easier expression like this. 3p plus 4. So here's Bonsai Pizza Company compared to our other pizza company.